In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to hyperlink in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to make text in your design or slides clickable, so viewers can jump straight to a website or resource, all without leaving your Figma file. This is great for linking to documentation, inspiration boards, or external pages during handoffs and presentations. Start by opening your Figma project. Navigate to the file and frame where your text lives so you can see it clearly. If you're working in a slide deck or a design canvas, the process is the same. Make sure you can easily select the text layer you want to work with and zoom in a bit if that helps you avoid selecting the wrong element. Next, highlight the words you want to hyperlink. Double-click the text layer to enter text editing, then drag to select the exact word or phrase that should be clickable. With that selection active, right-click and choose Create Link. This tells Figma you're about to attach a URL to the selection. A quick tip: if you prefer shortcuts, you can also use the standard link command to achieve the same result. But the right-click method is a clear, reliable way to follow along. Now paste your URL. A small input field will appear. Click into it and paste the full address. For best results, include the complete URL, starting with https:// so Figma recognizes it correctly. Double check that there are no spaces at the beginning or end, then confirm by pressing enter or clicking away. You'll notice the text changes appearance, often becoming underlined or blue, indicating that the link has been applied. If your text style doesn't change color, the underline is your best visual confirmation. Let's test it. First, exit text editing by pressing Escape or clicking on the canvas. Hover over your linked text and click it. Figma will show a small tooltip with the URL and an option to open the link. Select that, and your browser should open the page in a new tab. If you're presenting in Figma slides or reviewing a prototype, the link behaves the same way. Click the text, and it opens the external page. There you go. Your hyperlink is live. Keep your links clear and purposeful, and consider linking concise phrases rather than long sentences so they're easy to spot. If a link ever changes, you can update it by repeating the same selection and linking flow. Remember to test before sharing your file to confirm everything works as expected. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.